Hey, what is going on everyone, rAtul here from TechrAtz, and what an exciting day for me because in this video I'll be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and guess what? I have the lilac purple version of it. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So if you have unboxed a Samsung flagship phone before, like the Samsung Galaxy S7, S8 or any of the Plus variant or even the Note series, you can already guess what to expect here. Though one thing is new this year, which is the inclusion of a back cover, and you have the paperwork too in this box. Then you have the phone, of course, a USB-C cable, AKG tuned earbud, a quick charge 3.0 supported power brick, and a full USB to USB Type-C adapter. Let's put them aside for a while and take a look at this purple bad boy. Almost every year, Samsung's flagship comes with an exclusive new color, and this year is no exception. This lilac purple looks really gorgeous, and Samsung took all the good things from the past year's flagship and made the Galaxy S9 even better. The bezel at the front seems much thinner, and overall shape of this device is a bit squarer compared to the Galaxy S8. And with the Gorilla Glass 5 on both front and back, this device feels just as premium as the newly released Galaxy Note 8, though the glass back is as always prone to scratch and fingerprint. Talking about the fingerprint, it's now on the position where it should be in last year's S8, but the annoying Bixby button, yeah, it still exists. Front of the device rocks the same 6.2-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display, which is still considered to be the best among any smartphone till date by most of the tech reviewers, and I sort of agree on that. Front top bezel contains an 8-megapixel f1.7 camera along with bunch of sensors, which also include an IR scanner. So yeah, you can unlock your phone with your face. It's fast and accurate, but I'll be talking more in details on my full review, how it works at night and other stuff, and also may compare it with the iPhone X. So make sure to subscribe for that. This device is the world's first phone having variable aperture going from f1.5 to 2.4, which should give you the best result in low light compared to any smartphone on the market right now. We will test that too in my full review. And finally, Samsung managed to provide dual camera on their S series, though the smaller brother still comes with a single sensor. Both the sensors on this device are 12 megapixel, one having 24mm wide angle with a variable aperture, and the other one is a 52mm telephoto lens with a fixed aperture of f2.4 for lossless zoom. Both front and rear cameras seemed promising to me in my initial testing, and Samsung this time made their camera app much simpler with practical functionality, so no complaint on that. I have one complaint, that even though both front and rear cameras can record 4K videos, they are still limited to 30 FPS. But they have added some sort of AR emojis like the Animoji we have seen in the iPhone X, but this one still seems to be in beta. Moving forward, the earpiece this year also works as a speaker, which means now you have a dual stereo speaker on a Samsung flagship. Sound is very rich and loud. It's in fact louder than the iPhone X. And just like every year's Samsung flagship, this phone is rocking the latest and greatest Exynos 9810, and the US variant comes with the Snapdragon 845 chip. The Exynos 9810 is an octa-core CPU based on 4 Cortex 1.8 GHz cores and 4 Mongoose 2.7 GHz high-performance cores combined with Mali G72 MP18 GPU. So you can expect some top-notch performance on gaming and all the heavy stuff you do on your phone. So my initial experience was very fluid on Samsung's Experience UI on this device, although we know that Samsung puts a very heavy skin on their version of Android. And this is also for the first time Samsung has launched a 256GB variant. Overall, if you are a Samsung fan, you will like this device no doubt. But if you didn't like their hardware or software before, Samsung didn't do anything exceptionally good in this device in my opinion that can actually change your mind. But don't take the decision so early. I have made this video based on my initial impression. More in-depth review is coming later this week with camera samples, gaming and more. So make sure you have subscribed already if you don't want to miss that. Before signing out, this video is brought to you by JAHIN Trading Corporation. They provide quality gadgets with good after sale service, so if you are from Bangladesh and want to pick your Galaxy S9 Plus, go check the link in the description for more information. Well, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and you can also let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you up in the full review. Peace out.